Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
राधे राधे दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब? वेलकम बैक टू स्टार ट्रेडिंग. लेट्स गो. Yesterday was a good day. Today might be also a good day. Let's see a drive at the bull side. Let's analyze the charts. Let's start analyzing the charts. Just a minute. Volume सब कुछ सही है. Let's go. वीकली एनालिसिस से चालू करते हैं हम. हमने वीकली में यही सोचा था ग्रीन कैंडल बन सकती है क्योंकि लास्ट कैंडल की क्लोजिंग गंदी थी, वीक बुलिश थी, वीक बेयरिश थी, तो दिस वाज द केस. बट वीक में अभी भी बॉटम विक नहीं है. अभी कोई आज न्यूज़ भी नहीं है. ऑरेंज फोल्डर से रेड फोल्डर्स कोई भी नहीं है आज. सो वी आर प्रेडिक्टिंग द मार्केट टू गो अप फॉर टुडे ऑल्सो. आज डे में ओके. ट्यूसडेज जनरली क्या होता है, जब मंडेज ड्राइव हो जाता है, ट्यूसडेज क्या होता है, कंटिन्यूशंस होता है. ठीक है, ट्यूसडे क्या होता है, कंटिन्यूशंस होता है, बट नॉट दैट मच हैवी दैट इट क्रिएटेड ऑन द मंडे. बट ट्यूसडेज जनरली कंटिन्यूशंस होता है. तो आज की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या कहती है कि ग्रीन कैंडल बनने के चांसेस हैं बिकॉज द मंडे हैड द ग्रीन कैंडल एंड द साइज वाज बिग. ठीक है, साइज बहुत अच्छा था ग्रीन कैंडल का. मंडे के दिन देख सकते हैं आप, फ्रेश ब्रेकआउट दिया मार्केट ने. कंटिन्यूशंस के चांसेस हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. लेट्स सी, एटलीस्ट टॉप विक तो एक्सपेक्टेड है आज के दिन, बिकॉज यू सी हियर यहाँ पे डे में टॉप विक भी छूट के गई है. लेट्स सी वी कैन गेट सम कंटिन्यूशन स्ट्रेट. सी दिस, मंडे को ड्राइव आया था, ट्यूसडे ऑल्सो कंटिन्यू. मंडे को ड्राइव आया, ट्यूसडे कंटिन्यू आया. यहाँ पे मंडे को ड्राइव आया, ट्यूसडे को पॉज आया. क्यों पॉज आया? यहाँ पे डे में टॉप विक नहीं थी. सीरियस, मंडे को ड्राइव आया, ट्यूसडे को इतनी बड़ी टॉप विक आई, देन फ्लैशबैक आया. यहाँ पे टॉप विक है ही नहीं. वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस टू गो बुलिश. अगर ये हाईज तोड़ती है, अपना हाईज तोड़ती है, तो हम छोटा सा एसएल लगा के बाइस प्लान कर सकते हैं. वेरी मच डिफिशिएंट. लेट्स सी. एनालिसिस कर लेते हैं. पहले चार्ट्स को देख लेते हैं अच्छे से. रेंजेस मार्क कर लेते हैं. हमारे पास ऊपर की रेंजेस अभी हैं. इस लेवल के बाद 403 के बाद रेंजेस ख़त्म हो जाएंगी ऊपर की. फिर हमको छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में जाना पड़ेगा. अभी रेंजेस हैं हमारे पास 403 तक. लेट्स सी. पुरानी रेंजेस हटा दे गया, बहुत ओवर हो रहा है ना चार्ट. कौन सी रेंज है? दोनों ही काम किए हैं यार वैसे तो ना. Yellow line is not useful now. This also not useful now. ओके. मार्केट ने यहाँ पर ड्राइव किया, मार्केट ने अपना रेजिस्टेंस तोड़ दिया. लेट्स सी. 12 से 4 आवर्स अगर ये अच्छी क्लोज कर रहा है, 4 आवर्स अगर ऐसे ही उड़ता रहा तो हाई अभी 36 मिनट्स में क्रॉस भी कर देगा. 36 मिनट्स में ये हाई अपना क्रॉस भी कर देगा और ऊपर के कहीं पे क्लोज कर देगा. नेक्स्ट 4 आवर्स ओपन करेगी टॉप विक से एंड देन इट विल कम डाउन. आई प्रोबेबली थिंक दिस. लेट्स सी ऐसा ही कुछ होता है या नहीं. जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट. तो लेट्स सी, लेट्स मार्क सम रेंजेस. हमारी रेंजेस तो ऑलमोस्ट मार्क ही हैं. एक बार ये 403 का लेवल टूटता है तो हम बाइस प्लान करते हैं, बट अगर यही कैंडल में टूट जाएगा तो फिर हमारे पास एसएल नहीं होगा रखने के लिए. बट नेक्स्ट 4 आवर्स में देखते हैं. अगर नेक्स्ट 4 आवर्स में अच्छी खासी निकलती है कैंडल, टॉप विक से ओपन होती है, तो फिर हम प्लान आउट कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज दिस बॉडी इज़ वेरी ह्यूज. दिस बॉडी 120 पिप्स की बॉडी है. 2 घंटे में आर्ली में लास्ट आवरली विदाउट टॉप विक क्लोज हुई थी एंड दिस आर्ली इज गिविंग अ ह्यूज ब्रेकआउट. लेट्स सी. बहुत अच्छे चांस मिल सकते हैं अभी हमें यहाँ पर ट्रेड करने के, अगर हाइस तोड़ती है। बट हमारे पास यहाँ पे एसएल नहीं है। अगर हम ये हायर बाइस की पोजीशन उठाते हैं यहाँ पे कहीं पे, तो हमारे पास कोई भी एसएल नहीं है रखने को, वैलिड कोई एसएल नहीं है। हमारा एसएल ये होगा या फिर आर्ली का लोज होगा, वो भी 120 पिप्स है, तो हम एसएल ये रखना नहीं चाहते हैं। तो लेट्स सी हमको कोई अच्छी ट्रेड मिलती है, शॉर्ट टाइम में जाके देखेंगे। अगर कोई भी अच्छी ट्रेड मिलती है तो डेफिनेटली वी विल बी प्लानिंग सम ट्रेड्स। बुलिश ट्रेड ही प्लान करना चाहेंगे हम आज के दिन पे, अनटिल एंड अनलेस द डे गेट अ बिग टॉपिक। अगर डे के पास बड़ी सी टॉपिक आ जाएगी, फिर डे फ्लिप करेगी, अपना लोस तोड़ेगी, फिर हम सेलिंग साइड देखेंगे। अनटिल एंड अनलेस विल सी अ बुलिश ट्रेड, ओनली बुलिश ट्रेड। ओके, आप आते से ही डे कैंडल को एनालाइज करो, वीक कैंडल को एनालाइज करो, डिसाइड कर लो कि आपको किस साइड में ज़्यादा अपना जाना है, बुलिश साइड या फिर बेयरिश साइड। अब एक ही साइड आप चुन लोगे, डेफिनेटली यू विल बी वेरी क्लियर विद योर माइंड। बहुत क्लियर हो जाता है माइंड से कि सिर्फ हमको बुल्स ट्रेड ही देखनी है, तो इट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर यू। लेट्स सी बुलिश ट्रेड हमको कोई मिलती है क्या। ऑरेंज फोल्डर है हमारे पास, ऑरेंज फोल्डर देखते हैं क्या इम्पैक्ट लाता है इस पे। वैसे तो चांसेस हैं कि ऑरेंज फोल्डर ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट लाता नहीं है, बट यू नेवर नो इन द ट्रेडिंग इंडस्ट्री, इट कैन हैपन एनीथिंग। ओके, एनीथिंग कैन बी हैपन। So we are expecting this market to drive up only for today. Okay, we are expecting the market to drive up for today. Let's see. पुल बैक आ रहा है, लेट्स सी। 3 मिनट्स हैं हमारे पास, एक ऑरेंज फोल्डर है हमारे पास, फेड चेयरमैन पॉल्स। ओके, पॉल की ब्रो बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ है। ऑरेंज फोल्डर नहीं है, ये पॉल बोलने वाले हैं, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो धमाका करेंगे। सो लेट्स सी द चार्ट्स, दिस इज द वॉलेटिलिटी टाइम नाउ, लेट्स सी न्यूज़ेस आ सकती है, कुछ भी पंप आ सकता है, क्योंकि पॉल और ट्रम्प की कुछ तो मैटर चल रहा है। तो पॉल चाहेगा कि मार्केट ऊपर नीचे जाए, ट्रेडिंग मिनट्स अच्छी क्लोज करेगी। यहाँ पे हमारे पास कंटिन्यूशंस ही हैं और कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं मिल पाएगी अभी। यहाँ पे कंटिन्यूशंस ही हैं, ब्रेकआउट्स ट्रेड हम नहीं प्लान करते हैं, क्योंकि ये टाइम नहीं होता ब्रेकआउट्स का ना। जनरली न्यूयॉर्क सेशंस ब्रेकआउट्स का टाइम होता है, ब्रेकआउट्स का नहीं होता, क्योंकि जनरली न्यूयॉर्क सेशंस में क्या होता है, फेकआउट्स होते हैं और लोग फंसते हैं। जितना भी उनने एशियन और लंदन में कमाया होता है, वो सारा चीज़ें न्यूयॉर्क में दे देते हैं, और न्यूयॉर्क में आते हैं एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर, वो लेना जानते हैं कैसे उनको ट्रेड करना है, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ न्यूयॉर्क सेशन ट्रेड करते हैं। इट्स ओनली 1 मिनट, पॉल की स्पीच चालू होने वाली है। लेट्स सी पॉल की स्पीच में क्या होता है। Let's see. I also open something. मैं भी खोल के देखता हूँ कि कुछ मैटर चल रहा है क्या। John Paul. स्पीच स्टार्ट होगी 8:30 पे। ओके, कुछ भी हो सकता है उस दौरान, तो प्लीज़ अपने बाय सेल के ऑर्डर थोड़ा सा संभाल के रखिए। अभी तो हमारे पास कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं है, बट हम डे को एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि बुलिश कैंडल बनेगी, ग्रीन कैंडल बनेगी, सो वी विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस ओनली। लेट्स सी।
Forward looking because we knew things were going to be unusually difficult. So, of course, this is something we sort of know is coming. We just don't know the size of it. And again, the economy seems to be in solid shape. So the labor market's not crying out for a rate cut. Businesses, labor market's not crying out for a rate cut. Businesses, were in a bit of shock after April 2, but you see business sentiment, you talk to business people now, there's a very different feeling now that people are working their way through this, and they understand how they're going to go, and it feels much more positive and constructive than it did 3 months ago, let's say. So again, we think that our current stance of monetary policy is in a good place.
Thank you. Amara Mokway with Bloomberg. Chair Powell, in February, you told Congress that the Fed is, quote, overworked, maybe not overstaffed. Then in a memo to staff in May announcing a deferred resignation program at the Fed, you said you wanted to ensure that the Fed was, quote, right-sized. Those two statements appear to be at odds with one another. Could you explain what changed in the roughly 3 months between those statements that made you decide that staff levels at the Fed should decline?
I don't see them at all as intention. So I was asked, is the Fed overstaffed? And I said no, and I sort of said as a pun, overworked but not overstaffed. People do work extremely hard at the Fed, and I know they work hard at Bloomberg too. So, but we work hard, but I would say this. So we are careful stewards of public resources, and sometimes you need to show that. So there have been several times in our history, modern history, where the Fed has said, you know what, we're going to do a buyout. We're going to show the public. We're going to demonstrate that we are good stewards of public resources. So we thought, and I thought, that this is a time when we can, we grow at about, our headcount has grown at about 1% a year. So over the course of a couple of years, we're doing a careful scrub of the board.
Let's see इनका कुछ effect आता है चार्ट पे या नहीं आता है आज सिर्फ बातें दे नहीं आया है
where we can streamline our operations.
ट्रम्प इसका बाद ट्रम्प का कुछ ट्वीट आ जाएगा फिर मार्केट जाएगी.
Do that, and we think this is without taking risk to carrying out our critical missions. So this is something you do very carefully, thoughtfully, and you do it again respecting that we have critical missions to carry out. I've had experience, a lot of experience in my prior careers, with headcount reductions and things like that, and this is how you do it professionally. You do it carefully, thoughtfully, with a lot of planning, and you do it over a period of time. And I think the Fed will be fine. I think no one will notice any decline in our ability to carry out our missions, and I think it's just us wanting to demonstrate to the public that we are actually good stewards of their resources. We're effectively wiping out 10 years of headcount growth with this. So, I mean, we wanted to show that, that we're good stewards.
How is progress on reducing headcount going so far? Are you on track to meet the goal?
We're just at the very beginning. As you know, we're doing a buyout program. We're gonna hit that goal. I think many organizations find that they can do this. You don't want to do it every year or anything, but you can do it at intervals, and you wind up not interfering with your ability to perform your jobs.
Chair Powell, Claire Jones from the Financial Times. As you're no doubt aware, the Senate Finance Committee has tabled its version of the reconciliation bill this week, and I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about the tenor of the debate at the FOMC over the past few days on fiscal policy and the degree to which that influenced people's projections for 2026 and beyond. Thank you.
Yeah, so
I know मार्केट रेजिस्टेंस ले रही है यहाँ से, बट हम कोई भी ट्रेड प्लान नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज यहाँ पे मार्केट ने, अगर आपको आर्ली देखोगे तो आर्ली बहुत अच्छा पंप करके क्लोज करने वाली है. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द आर्ली क्लोज देन वी विल टेक सम ट्रेड्स, बट वी विल टेक ओनली बुलिश ट्रेड फॉर टुडे अंटिल एंड अनलेस इट विल मेक अ टॉप विक फॉर द डे साइड. अगर डे की टॉप विक बनती है आज के दिन पे, उसके बाद ही हम कोई भी ट्रेड प्लान करेंगे. अभी डे की टॉप विक 403 के पास है. कल हमारे रेजिस्टेंस से बहुत अच्छी सेलिंग आई थी वो. अगर हमने 400 पे सेलिंग का वो लगाया होता ऑर्डर, ऑलमोस्ट अच्छे खासे पिप्स थे, 95, 96. It's very good. let's see कुछ पावर आती है या नहीं, फ्लिप करती है ऊपर की साइड। 403 का लेवल, अगर 403 का लेवल क्रॉस करती है मार्केट, डेफिनेटली वी विल बी लुकिंग फॉर सम ट्रेड्स। 403 लेवल इज वेरी क्रूशियल एज ऑफ नाउ, क्योंकि 403 के ऊपर मार्केट ड्राइव कर सकती है फिर नेक्स्ट हाईज के लिए। उसके बाद का लेवल थोड़े से यूजिंग हो जाएंगे, बट उसके ऊपर की अभी तक क्लोज आई नहीं है। 403 का लेवल चाहिए हमको क्लोज। This level, we want this level to be crossed
that we are
as
starting
on
to
today.
see, layoffs and important gatherers of data are saying that they're having to cut back on the size of their surveys. That's going to lead to more volatility in the surveys. I think we should take a step back and, from our standpoint, and I think the standpoint of businesses and governments and everyone, having really good data on the state of the economy at any given time is a huge public good. It helps, it not just doesn't help the Fed, it helps the government, it helps
तो वॉल्यूम तो
Congress,
आ नहीं
it helps
रही है।
the
लेट्स सी,
executive
अभी
branch.
तक कुछ
More
उसने
importantly, really, it
फालतू
helps
बातें नहीं
businesses
करी है,
get
ना ही
into
ट्रम्प
what's
के बारे
going
में
on.
करी है, ना ही
The
एफओएमसी के
United
बारे
States
में
has
कोई
been a
बातें करी
leader
है।
for many, many years.
वॉल्यूम उसी से
in this
आती है,
whole
जनरल
project
क्वेश्चन से
of
कोई वॉल्यूम
measuring
नहीं
and
आती है।
understanding what's
और
happening
डिसीजन वाली
in our
बात नहीं
very
करी है
large
इसने
and
अभी
dynamic
कि आगे
economy.
जाके ऐसा
And
होगा,
I hate to
आगे जाके
see,
ऐसा होगा,
I
आगे
hate to
जाके
see
वी
us
विल प्लान टू
cutting back
डिक्रीज
on
द
that
इंटरेस्ट
because,
रेट्स।
it is a
ऐसा
real
कुछ भी अभी
benefit
तक बात नहीं हुई
to the
है।
general public that people in all kinds of jobs have the best possible
लेट्स सी,
understanding
403
of
का
what's
लेवल
happening
क्रॉस
in the
होता है तो
economy
डेफिनेटली
and
हम
what's
बायस के
likely to
लिए उसना
happen.
चाहेंगे।
It's very hard to measure what's going on in the U.S. economy. If you read, there was a book called, it's really remarkable how many things you need to understand to estimate U.S. GDP. Very, very difficult, and it's so important that we get it right. I just would say it's not a place to I would want to keep investing in that, for the good of the general public.
Victoria.
Hi, Victoria Guida with Politico. So you're conducting this monetary policy strategy framework review, but next year we're supposed to have a new Fed chair, and I'm wondering if that affects at all the way that you're approaching this. How do you ensure that this framework will actually be durable?
The framework document goes back to 2012, and it's the committee's document. It's not like we're going to invent a brand new way to do things. It's been an evolving document, so it shouldn't depend on who the chair is at all. It should
कोई
depend
डिसीजन
on
नहीं
what's
आया
happening
अभी
in the
तक।
economy and what the committee wants to do. So, yeah, it isn't really tied to any particular chair. And we used to renew it every year. Now we do it every 5 years. So, but I don't think I've never heard anyone raise this issue that a new chair might want to come in and go in a completely different direction. I really don't think that's right. But but that's not going to be up to me to decide.
Is that affecting at all who you're consulting with?
Not at all. Not in any way.
Thank you. Chair Powell, Matt Egan from CNN. Relatively low gas prices this year have helped drive down inflation in recent reports, but that trend is starting to reverse given the crisis in the Middle East. How are you thinking about how the Israel-Iran conflict will impact the economy, especially inflation, and what lessons were learned during the 2022 period when another conflict, the Russia-Ukraine war, sent oil and gas prices skyrocketing?
So, of course, we're watching, like everybody else is, what's going on. I really don't have any comment on that. Possible that we'll see higher energy prices. What's tended to happen is when there's turmoil in the Middle East, you may see a spike in energy prices, but tends to come down. Those things don't generally tend to have lasting effects on inflation, although, of course, in the 1970s, they famously did, because you had a series of very, very large shocks. But we haven't seen anything like that now. The U.S. economy is far less dependent on foreign oil than it was back in the 1970s. So, but there.
A quick follow-up. I've just got to ask you about artificial intelligence. Some technology
that expect to see more of them over coming months. We do also see price increases in some of the relevant categories like personal computers and audiovisual equipment and things like that are attributable to tariff increases. In addition, we look at surveys of businesses, and there are many of those, and you do see a range of things, but many companies do expect to put all or some or all of the effective tariffs through to the next person in the chain, and ultimately to the consumer. Today, the amount of these, the amount of the tariff effects, the size of the tariff effects, their duration and the time it will take are all highly uncertain. So that is why we think the appropriate thing to do is to hold where we are as we learn more. And we think our policy stance is in a good place where we're well positioned to react to incoming developments.
So in terms of how we should interpret the rate cuts penciled into the SEP, is this reflecting that there's this expectation that underlying inflation will just stay well enough contained that allows the committee to eventually move ahead with those cuts? Or is it about, responding to a deterioration in economic activity, let's say? I mean, how should we make sense of the forecast?
So if you look at the forecast, you will see that people do generally expect inflation to move up and then to come back down. But we can't just assume that. Of course, we don't know that. And, our job is to make sure, one of our jobs, is of the effects, how long it takes for them to come in, and ultimately on keeping inflation expectations anchored.
Hi, and thanks, Chair Powell. Howard Schneider with Reuters. If you look at the rate path starting in December to today and adjusted over the full time horizon you've got there, you've taken about a quarter point per year out of your projected path, and you end at a higher rate at end 2027 than you would have in the prior forecast. Is that a result of a sense that tariffs will lead to more persistent inflation? Is it a result of reassessments of where your short-term neutral rate is? Why are you on a slower path now?
So I would focus most on the nearer term. As you get out to the later years, it's hard for anybody to know where the economy is going. You didn't see people moving their longer term, estimate of the neutral rate, for example, at this meeting. So and those things are probably slow moving. So I think if you look at what's happening here. Since March, this is since March, right? You see a little slower growth, just a tiny tick up, a 1/10 tick up in unemployment, and you see inflation moving up 0.3. And by the way, it was a similar move from the December SEP to the March. So that's what you see. You see the effects of tariffs. I think we learned in April after the March meeting that substantially higher tariffs were likely, and then since then
403 का लेवल चाहिए हमको क्रॉसिंग इसके बाद ही हम कुछ बात करेंगे but I'll probably wait for the 4 hours close. I know this have the probability to make the top break very high. अगर हम यहाँ पे बाइस प्लान करते हैं इसके हाइस के ऊपर 402 पे अब पंप हो रहा है मार्केट में न्यूज़ का इफेक्ट हुआ है. Let's go.
All the Liberation Day tariffs is still out there and unresolved. You've got now exchange of missiles between two.
Let's go. 15 minutes की closing होने वाली है. Let's see. I think I'll be closing this thing. Nothing on the music. Let's go. Volume time, guys. Volume time. डे में ग्रीन कैंडल बन चुकी है, दोबारा से हाइस क्रॉस कर चुका है, बॉटम विक बहुत अच्छे से आ चुकी है. वी विल बी जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द क्लोजिंग एंड वी विल प्लान सम बाइज. इसके ऊपर की लेवल्स के ऊपर की क्लोजिंग आती है, डेफिनेटली वी विल बी वेरी गुड टू टेक बाइज देन. यू गाइस सी दिस बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव एनी लेवल्स अबव दिस. इसके ऊपर के लेवल सीधे हमारे पास हैं 411. के बीच में कोई भी लेवल नहीं है. लेट्स सी अगर यही 404 से 411 तक 15x 15 मिनट्स में रन कर जाएगा, फिर बहुत प्रॉब्लमैटिक सिचुएशन हो जाएगी कि कब ट्रेड लेना. Yesterday also at this time the market was running highs and highs and highs. Today also it's doing the same thing. Let's see. Market's favorite time is from 5 to 6:30 maybe. Please, 200 pips move कर चुके हैं मार्केट इस टाइम. हाइस क्रॉस हो चुके हैं. अगर आप इम्पल्स एंट्रीज प्लान करते हो इस टाइम पे तो फिर आपके लिए सही है. 15 मिनट्स अंदर क्लोज करी है, 43 के अंदर क्लोज करी है, बट चांसेस आर वेरी हाई दिस 15, the next 15 will carry forward at the upside. Started with the bottom wick, which is very good. It flipped, and higher chances are saying that it will be filling this whole wick. लास्ट 15 मिनट्स बची है 4 आवर्स की क्लोज होने की, तो हम वेट करते हैं 15 मिनट्स मोर का, देन वी विल प्लान सम ट्रेड्स. ओके, देन वी हैव अ बिग क्लोजिंग कमिंग सून, the 4 hours candle. We want a closing above 403. Let's see we can get the closing or not.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late.
Let's see the 4 hours top wick breakout तो हो चुका है 15 मिनट्स के अंदर, क्लोजिंग भी आ चुकी है ऊपर की साइड में, बट वी वांट अ क्लोजिंग एट द बिगर टाइम फ्रेम एंड वी नीड अ टॉप wick in the 4 hours. So we are expecting this 15 to close weak bearish, and that way it will be leaving the top wick. So we will be trading in the next 4-hour candle. That will be very good. We only planning for buys. Okay, we are only planning for buys as of now, on today. Let's see buys आ जाते हैं हमारे पास. Definitely we will be planning some buys.
I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding,
आइस क्रॉस कर देना, 403 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग दे दे एक बार. ये वाली 15 में 403 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग नहीं आई है. 403 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग आ जाएगी, डेफिनेटली वी विल बी वेरी गुड, बिकॉज उसके ऊपर की रेंज आप खुद देखोगे
I'll keep hiding.
बहुत अच्छी है. इसका नहीं रेंज. Let's see we can get some range above 403 or not. क्लोजिंग चाहिए हमको, ठीक है। 403 के ऊपर की क्लोजिंग चाहिए, क्लोजिंग ही मैटर करेगी। अनटिल एंड अनलेस क्लोजिंग नहीं आएगी हम ट्रेड नहीं ले पाएंगे, क्योंकि फिर कभी भी रेजिस्टेंस बना सकता है मार्केट। एंड इट क्रॉस द टॉप वेग, ठीक है, इट क्रॉस द टॉप वेग ऑफ द डे कैंडल। नई टॉप वेग बन चुकी है 30 पिप्स की, बट जो 4 आवर्स क्लोज करेगा बहुत शानदार 4 आवर्स क्लोज करेगा, तो इट कैन मेक द बॉटम वेग देन द नेक्स्ट ऑफ टॉप वेग। ऊपर जाने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, चाहे नीचे जाके जाए ऊपर, पर ऊपर जाने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। नेक्स्ट 4 आवर्स में रेड कैंडल भी बन सकती है, बट हम सिर्फ टॉपिक्स के लिए ट्रेड लेंगे। बिकॉज नेक्स्ट 4 आवर्स में टॉप वेग बनने की चांसेस बहुत हाई है। यहाँ पे अर्ली में लो कैंडल नहीं बनी ना, प्रॉब्लम ये है। और हमारे पास एसएल्स बहुत बड़े हैं अभी, ये देखो एसएल्स हमारा 12 पे, मतलब 120 पिप्स का एसएल, इतना तो हम अफोर्ड कर ही नहीं पाएंगे 120 पिप्स का एसएल सिर्फ 20 पिप्स लेने के चक्कर में। विद इन सेम रेंज अगर 400 के नीचे आ जाता है फिर प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी हमारे लिए। 400 के नीचे क्लोजिंग नहीं चाहिए हमको, 403 के ऊपर की क्लोजिंग चाहिए दोस्त। कम ऑन 15 मिनट्स, कम ऑन। 403 लेवल से हमारा रेजिस्टेंस आया था, हमने प्लान किया था वही सेम लेवल से हमारा मार्केट नीचे आई ड्राइव करिए। इसके ऊपर भी क्लोजिंग मिल जाएगी ना 400 के ऊपर, तभी भी मजा आता है, क्योंकि अभी कोई भी 4 आवर्स इसके ऊपर की क्लोजिंग आई है तो फिर ऊपर ही गई है, तो बट 400 के ऊपर भी क्लोजिंग मिल जाएगी तो भी बेनिफिशियल है, बट 400 लेवल विल बी वेरी क्रूशियल एज ऑफ नाउ। 400 लेवल बहुत ज्यादा क्रूशियल है यहाँ पे, 400 के ऊपर की क्लोजिंग चाहिए हमको। इतनी पावरफुल 4 आवर्स कैंडल क्लोज करने के बाद अगर रेड कैंडल बनती है, वो ओपन से तो बन नहीं सकती है, बट प्रोबेबिलिटी कहती है कि बॉटम वेग लगाएगी, देन इट विल गो अप, सो वी कैन बाय ऑन द सपोर्ट्स। बट द प्रॉब्लम इज द लास्ट 1 आवर कैंडल, this 1 hour candle do not have any bottom wig. The market can do like this, so this will be very bad. अगर मार्केट कुछ ऐसा करती है, फिर फ्लिप करती है, फिर ग्रीन कैंडल बनाती है, फिर मार्केट कुछ ऐसी कैंडल बना सकती है, तो ये बॉटम विग्स हमारे लिए बहुत डेंजरस है। तो हम बायस यहाँ पे कहीं पे करना चाहेंगे, ना कि यहाँ पे कहीं पे, क्योंकि हमारा एसएल बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा। चांसेस ऑफ फ्लिपिंग दिस कैंडल इन ग्रीन साइड इज ऑलमोस्ट 85%। क्या लेवल्स काम कैसे करते हैं भाई? ये जो हमने लाइंस बना दी थी 15 मिनट्स, देखो उसके वो नीचे क्लोज किया, मतलब डायरेक्टली उसके अंदर ही क्लोज किया है। बल्कि मार्केट देख लो, यहाँ पे हमने ये लाइन बनाई थी, मार्केट इसके ऊपर क्लोज ही नहीं किया, ऊपर नीचे करके दोबारा से नीचे क्लोज कर दिया था। लेवल्स मार्क करने में इतना मजा आता है ना, मजा ही मजा है ब्रो, मजा ही मजा है। Let's see bro, let's see। लेट्स सी 403 के ऊपर क्लोज होता है तो मजा आएगा। 403 के ऊपर की क्लोजिंग चाहिए हमको, इस लाइन के ऊपर की क्लोजिंग चाहिए। डेफिनेटली वी विल बी लुकिंग फॉर सम buy straight, but after it made the bottom wick, then only we'll looking for buy straight। हम ओपन पे ट्रेड नहीं करने वाले हैं बिकॉज ट्रम्प के आने के बाद ओपन पे ट्रेड करना बहुत डेंजरस हो रहा है। सो it's not looking good to me to take the trade on the open, but it have higher chances that at least it will boost up till 407 तक या 4010 तक। नेक्स्ट रेंज है 4012, so it is higher likely to take the buy trade in the next 4 hours candle. So you guys are ready to take the buy trade? Come on buddy, come on, let's plan some buy trades. Let's plan some buy trades. If it close without any top wick, then also I'll be planning, but higher chances will be saying that the top wick and it will come down. If the candles open with a bottom wick, maybe higher chances is saying that the candle will be closing without top wick.
It's in these moments. Oh, I got lost on a winding road in the dark of night with the stars aglow. Heaven's up above, got me below as I head to you like the river flows. You've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven. I found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. You're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. And if I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder, 'cause I'm not dying alone. Oh my God, don't do this. Oh my God, I need my best friend. Daughter in the city, rushing to me. Down home, upstream, are you with me? Round up, round home, upstream, are you with me? Feel it. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. I don't wanna see us going hard enough again. Baby, all I really want is only I'm from that. Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless praying, 'cause some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? Would you be waiting? We can't find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Oh. Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go, you remain a stranger to me. is left uncovered. I'm thinking about you. Hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. Oh, you could ask the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in rags. Against my intentions, I let you turn me violent instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. Back at the festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking if it was mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off
waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or yonder her type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name. Calling out your name. Calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. just wanna understand.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. Oh, I got lost on a winding road in the dark of night with the stars aglow. Heaven's up above, got me below as I head to you like the river flows. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me kept me afloat. It felt like heaven. I found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. You're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. And if I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder.
need my best friend.
Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
You say I'm making of this a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face,
Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. Lose your mind from endless praying. Never came. I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. See, everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna
Will you remain a stranger to me, to you? But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over. I never expect to forget about it. Fortune that you folded. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. Is there nowhere I remain a danger to me, to you? Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, away to face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else. As we close out the night underneath the lilac sky, summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now you vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or yonder a type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been calling out your name. since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces. Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know
lost my bow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. Searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven. I found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. You're gone, I'm alone, I guess. And if I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder, 'cause I'm not dying alone. Oh my God, don't do this. Oh my God, I need my best friend.
Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. I don't wanna see us going. Only I'm from there. Every time
Say I make you numb. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you think I would the prince the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. 'Cause some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? But can't find you. I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright tonight. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close. See the flame in your cold. Hold me close till everything is gonna be alright. To you, but our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Expect to forget about smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you've holding. I'm swimming with the sharks. Either will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. Is I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altar by them. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved out of. You stood out 'cause you were in race. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violent instead. So still sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, she's not the same. She's such a rare type, she's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave. Oh, she loves the fact that I just let getting crazy, let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We're getting crazy in a different role.